So this is week 2 of the Headstarter Software Engineering Fellowship, and this week's project is to create a Pantry Tracker using Next.js, Material UI, and Firebase. So first I'll take you through the app that I've created. So it first starts off empty like this, and then you're able to add items. So I'll just add some items to the list. So as you can see, you can scroll up and down to see the amount of items you have, and it will also show the quantity. So I'll just add an extra quantity to the bread. I'll make it 3, and we can do 2 corn. So as you can see, it also tracks the quantity. So we have 3 bread and 2 corn. And you can also remove items. So if I were to remove one of the corns, it would decrease the quantity by 1. And since we have 1 tomato, if I were to remove it, it would take it off the list. Similarly with the bread. And another feature is that it will automatically capitalize the letters. It will track your quantity, and you can remove the items or add more. And so I'll take you through some of the code. So here is the code. This section over here is where it adds items to the pantry list. Here's where the delete button function is. These are the different buttons and typography. One piece of code I wanted to highlight is the style background color. So this piece of code is what makes the buttons this dark green color. So it's custom to this dark green color to match the pantry header. And there's also a border radius option where it gives the corner of the box a radius, and everything is centered and nice and clean. I wanted to highlight that this is my first time using Node.js and coding like an app in Java. I learned quite a bit about how to actually make things more than just like if statements or hello world. I also really liked exploring the different features that Material UI had, and I was able to implement the different colors, which took a lot of time and research. This is also one of my first times working in GitHub, so that was also a learning curve. But I learned quite a bit from this project, and I hope you enjoyed.